Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your electronic parking brake with auto hold in the 2022 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium S all-wheel drive in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the electronic parking brake is located here under the shifter and this cluster of buttons. So the big P button here is the electronic parking brake, and then we have our auto hold button. So if I were to put my foot on the brake pedal and go ahead and lightly pull up on the P button, it's going to tell us there in the instrument panel at the bottom that our emergency brake or our parking brake is now on. To disengage it, I keep my foot on the brake, or you go and put your foot on the brake pedal and lightly push down on it, and it's now disengaged. If it happens to be engaged and you go to put the vehicle into drive, it will go ahead and turn it off for you, just so you don't accidentally drive around with it on. I'm going to put it back into park, and now we're going to use the auto hold. So if I go ahead and turn auto hold on, you'll see it came up next to the eco symbol there in white. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle into drive, and you'll see that it's gone green. That is now letting us know that the electronic parking brake is holding the brake pedal for us. So we're in drive, it's green. I'm going to go ahead and take my foot off of the brake pedal, and we are now not moving because it's using the electronic parking brake to hold the brake pedal for me. And to get going, all you do is just tap the gas a little bit, and then you'll start moving again. And then once I come to another complete stop, it's going to go green again to let me know that it's holding it. And if you don't want to use it, you just make sure that it's turned off and make sure that symbol's not down there at the bottom of the screen. Put it back in park, and that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.